Hi, I'm Sarah Haberstick, Safety Advocate with Evenflo. Your little thrill seeker is growing older and bolder, and it's time to switch modes. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Evenflo EveryFit all-in-one car seat in high back booster mode. Before we begin, please review the instruction manual and all labels on the car seat prior to use. Unbuckle and loosen the harness. Remove the body pillow and head pillow as they are not used in booster mode. Make sure the lower anchor connectors are stored in the forward-facing belt path and attached to the storage clips on the side of the car seat. Lift the seat pad to access the release handle for the booster base. Raise the white handle and using the crotch buckle as a guide, lift the booster base off the car seat. Remove the buckle. Store the buckle behind the car seat. To replace the booster base, start by tucking the end of the harness adjuster strap into the opening above the adjustment button. Next, slide the harness straps into the slots on the booster base. Attach the booster base. Raise the seat pad. Tuck the buckle tongues and chest clip through the forward-facing belt path on both sides of the car seat. Replace the seat pad. Adjust the headrest to fit your child. Clip the chest clip behind the booster seat. Stretch the vehicle's lap and shoulder seatbelt across the booster seat and your child. The lap belt should be positioned underneath the booster seat armrest. The shoulder belt should be positioned underneath the armrest on the buckle side and inside the shoulder belt guide on the headrest. Now you're ready for non-stop adventure. For any additional questions, all Evenflo car seats come with ParentLink customer service perks like real-time chat support and free live video installation service. For more information, please visit evenflo.com.